Hello everyone, this is 123 News. It has been raining heavily for the last 2 days. As you can see, our main road has been flooded. Please stay at home and prepare for the flood. Okay team, the flood is coming. We need to prepare for the rescue mission. Sky, I need you to be on air and tell us the flooding situation.
Okay, Captain Ryder, I'm right on it.
Children, we need to evacuate. The flood is coming. Your parents have been informed and they are here to pick you up.
Okay, Mr. Team.
Sweetheart, let's go. Please put on your raincoat.
Yes, Mommy.
Oh no, I can't move the car. Someone please help us. Don't worry, I'm here to help you. Thank you, Captain Ryder. Rubble, I need you to dispatch the sandbags. Okay, Captain, here I go. Thanks, Rubble, for giving us the sandbags. No worries, it's just my duty. Please go in, I'll finish the rest. Thanks, Rubble. Oh no, the water is still coming in. Go upstairs, family. Oh no, there's just too much water. I need to go get them. Hey family, are you okay? Go to the roof. Marshall, I need you. There's an explosion here. On my way, Rubble. Let me put out the fire. Help us. We can't stay on the roof. It's too hot here. Help, help.
Help us. Hey, come, Rabbit family. I'm here to help.
Oh, yay. Thank you, Sky. I'm afraid of heights. Don't worry, son. You'll be fine. Rabbit family, you have been so brave today. We're so proud of you, kids. Let me take care of your wound and put a band-aid. Thank you, Chase. We wouldn't survive today without you guys. No worries. We're just happy that you're all fine. Next part is behind the scene. Our little helper playing with the props. It's supposed to be our floodwaters.
Get in, out. It's getting out. Thanks, Mommy.
If you liked my video, please subscribe at Play Hard Learn Hard and click like. Thanks for watching!